Hi, let's solve for x in 4 to the power of x equals to 20. And what I'm going to be showing you is the easiest method to solve this online. To start with, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So you have 4 to the power of x over 4 and 20 over 4. Now, this means 4 to the power of 1. So this will be 4x minus 1 equal to 5. Now, we're going to apply log at this point. So take log of both sides. You end up having log of 4x minus 1 equal to the log of 5. Using our log rule, this exponent is going to go to the back. So I'd have x minus 1, the log of 4 equals to the log of 5. Here, you need to divide both sides by the log of 4, or log 4 rather. So that will be x minus 1 equal to log 5 divided by log 4. I need to take minus 1 to the other side. So I do that, I would have x equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 4. Now we can use one of our logarithm rules here where I have, let's say, log a to the log of b, which will give you log a to base b. This is actually the change of base rule. So if I apply that here, I'm going to have x equal to 1 plus log 5 to base 4. Right? So I could still simplify this further, so I could have 1 plus, now 4 is 2 squared, so that's 5 here. This power of the base is going to come to the back, but it's going to come as a reciprocal. So that will be 1 plus half log 2 or 5 to base 2. The rule here is something like this. If I have log a to the power of b and I have x here, this would be the inverse of that, and that will be log x to base a. That's the rule applied here that gives you this. So this is actually your answer here. This one here. That's your answer. Let me just circle it with a different color pen. So here is your answer. So this is the rule applied here. So that's it. You could check it and you end up getting the same value. So if you found that helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video.